Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam games that are not launching. Start by checking the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that will not launch and choose Properties. Open installed files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and re-download any missing or broken files. This fixes many launch problems caused by bad updates or corrupted files. Next, clear the Steam download cache. In Steam, click the top left menu and open Settings. Go to Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart, and you will need to sign in again. This step fixes issues caused by stuck or damaged download data. After that, run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Also, do the same for the GameX file if needed. This helps when Windows blocks the game from accessing system files. Now check your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can stop games from opening. Open your graphics card software or visit the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and install the latest driver for your system. Restart your PC after updating. Finally, check background apps and antivirus software. Some overlays, screen recorders, or antivirus programs can block Steam games. Temporarily disable them or add Steam and the game folder to the antivirus exception list. After completing these steps, restart your computer and try launching the game again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem. Thanks for watching.